Isang Bansa, Wika at Diwa ni Herminia R. Salonga.
One Country, Language and Spirit, Herminia R. Salonga.
Ang bayaning Jose Rizal ay siyang nagpagunita kung anong kahalagahan ng wika sa ating nilikha. Aniyay, ang di magmahal sa sariling wika'y mahigit pa sa hayop at malansang isda.
The hero Jose Rizal reminded us the importance of language in what we have created. He said, "Those who do not love their language is more than just animals and rotten fish."
Matagal na rin si Kat Rizal ay namatay, ngunit ang sinabi niya ay nananatiling buhay. Sinasambit-sambit ito ng matanda o bata man, na sa sarili niyang wika ay may pagmamahal.
It's been a long time since Kat Rizal died, but what he said remains alive, both uttered by old and young people, that in his language there is love.
Paano maipakikita na tayo'y may isang bansa, na tayo'y nagkakaisa at nabubuklod ng isang diwa, kung ang maririnig sa ating iba't ibang wika, pagkat ang sariling wika'y ating ikinahihiya?
How can we show our one country that we unite and bind with one spirit, if what is heard from us are different languages, for we are ashamed of our own language?
May isang Pilipinong di man makipagdigma, itinuturing ding bayani pagkat magitit dakila. Siya'y si Manuel Quezon na nang di pa namayapa, ang siyang nagtaguyod ng ating wikang pambansa.
There's one Filipino who did not go to war, is also considered a hero for he is brave and humble. He is Manuel Quezon, who has not yet passed away, the one who established our national